Hello, Mia. How have you been?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
I've been doing well. How's your family?
They're all doing fine, thanks for asking.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I have to reach the office soon.
Oh, I see. Shall I walk with you?
Sure, that would be nice.
How's work going these days?
It's quite busy, but I'm managing. How about you?
Same here. Deadlines are killing me.
Yeah, that's the usual story with work.
What time do you start your job?
At 9 a.m. sharp. And you?
I start at 8:30 a.m. I like to finish early.
Do you drink coffee every morning?
Yes, it's the first thing I need. What about you?
I prefer tea, especially green tea.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Just toast and eggs, sometimes yogurt.
Sounds healthy. I often skip breakfast.
That's not good. You should eat something.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm planning to go to the countryside.
Sounds fun. Are you going with someone?
Yes, with my cousins. We'll have a picnic.
Do you like hiking?
I love it. Nature helps me relax. Do you hike?
Not often, but I enjoy it when I get a chance.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I clean the house, do laundry, and watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
Action and comedy. You?
I prefer romantic comedies and drama.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched The Perfect Escape. It was great.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the recommendation.
What do you usually do after work?
I cook dinner, then watch TV or read.
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
That's great. I need to start exercising too.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dish to make?
Spaghetti bolognese. You?
I love making grilled chicken with vegetables.
Do you shop online or in stores?
Mostly online. It's easier.
I still like going to stores. I like to see things first.
That makes sense.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Perfect day to be outside.
Yes, but I wish I didn't have to work.
Are you planning a vacation this year?
I'm thinking of going to Italy.
Wow, that's exciting. Have you been there before?
No, it will be my first time.
What's your dream destination?
Japan. I want to see the cherry blossoms.
That's on my list too.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a little Spanish. You?
I'm learning French. It's difficult but fun.
What apps do you use to study?
I use Duolingo and watch videos online.
That's smart. I should try that.
What's your favorite hobby?
I play the guitar. It helps me relax.
That's cool. I like painting.
Wow, we both enjoy creative things. Do you like reading?
Yes, I love novels and self-help books.
Any book recommendations?
Try Atomic Habits. It's really helpful.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
I go to bed late, around 1 a.m.
That's not healthy.
I know, I'm trying to change that.
Do you wake up early?
Not really, only when I have to.
I try to get up by 7 a.m.
Impressive. What motivates you every day?
My goals and dreams. I want to improve myself.
That's inspiring. I need to set better goals.
Do you believe in positive thinking?
Absolutely. It makes a big difference.
Me too. I try to start each day with gratitude.
Are you on social media a lot?
Not really. I prefer to read or walk.
That's great. I should reduce my screen time too.
Well, I should get going now.
Sure, it was nice talking to you.
Always a pleasure. Let's catch up soon.
Definitely. Take care.